Hello there YouTube, Tech Savage Pro here, and today, obviously from the title you can tell, I'm going to be showing you a crazy video. So basically what I'm going to be doing today for you is, first off, just want to go ahead and hope that you are having a fantastic day, as you should. But other than that, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe. Make sure while you're down there, comment, tag your favorite part of the video, and of course, make sure you hit bell notifications. Now, other than that, I just want to go ahead and thank you guys, each one of you, for 5,000 subscribers. It's been a very long dream of mine. Ever since I started YouTube, I've always wanted to get to 5,000 subscribers. But in order to do that, I knew that I had to make micro goals for me. So, other than 1,000 subscribers, this is actually my second real big goal that I've always wanted to accomplish. Obviously, 5,000 was my first, but in order to actually remotely get there, I had to get it to 1,000 first. So, now that that's out of the way, let's get into the video. So, obviously, you can tell I'm going to be showing you how to jailbreak your PS4, or maybe not jailbreak, but get free games. So, obviously, you're going to need your PS4, a controller. So, I've got it right here. Now, the first step is you want to go ahead and turn on the console. Now, these steps are critical. You're going to watch this video all the way through, or it's not going to work right. Now, I kind of already messed up, so I'm going to have to turn the console off in order to get this exploit working right on the first time, because this is one of those long exploit processes. You don't want to mess this up, because if you mess it up, it will not function properly, and you might mess your console up. So, having that said, I suggest following the video word for word all the way through. So, you actually want to make sure that your console is in rest mode. So, what this will do is it will actually still put power on your console, but your controller should turn off. And if it doesn't, there's nothing wrong with that. Sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't. There's like a little lag input on some controllers, so just so you know, I wouldn't want you to like freak out or whatever. But so the first step is you want to go ahead and turn on your controller. So you should see it do that right there. It's gonna give it a moment. This is why you need to have it in rest mode, because once it does that, it's going to go ahead and flash, and then it'll hold this light right here for a minute, and then it will turn on your console. So, in a minute, you'll see the PlayStation logo. It'll come up, and this is uncut, so you can see. Now, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go into your profile. You want to go ahead, scroll all the way over to settings, okay? Well, first you want to go ahead and go over to your profile. You can do this whenever you log in, but you want to go ahead and appear offline. You can appear online, but it's a lot harder, so go ahead and appear offline. Now, because you started it in rest mode, it's going to be a little bit slow, so yeah. So as you can tell, I am actually appearing offline, but I'm going to go ahead and set it to online. I'm going to back out, show you that I'm going to change it to offline. Alright, so this actually helps everything move a lot smoother. Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to head over to settings. You're going to go to account management, account information, I believe. Alright, so you're going to make sure that you don't have a payment method, and that your services list, they're pretty, you know, taken care of. So like you have lots of things in your services, things like that. All you really need is just one. But what you also want to make sure is that you want to make sure, mainly, more important than the services, is that you have no payment method. If you have a payment method, this could cause your wallet to get like hijacked or something like that. Not hijacked, but you might actually buy the game, and nobody would want that. So you want to make sure that your account is not activated on your PlayStation as your primary. Now, if you do, if you can't do this step, it's not going to be a huge deal. It's just going to be an extra step. So if you don't have the, like say, for example, the only reason that mine isn't is because my brother has a PlayStation and my primary is on his PlayStation and his is on mine. So, yeah. So we've both benefited from this thing. So, oh my god, I just dropped my controller. Alright, so that is obviously the next step. Slam your controller on the ground and make sure that you break it real good. But, in all seriousness, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and turn off your PlayStation once again. But this time, you're going to restart it. So, now this is actually starting from step 1 if you can't do any of the other steps. So that includes the account steps and all of that. So what you want to do is you want to start entering these buttons. So you want to do up, up, down, down, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, X, X, B, or circle, I mean, and then triangle. So up, up, down, down, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, X, X, circle, circle, triangle, and then once it comes up, it's going to appear normal, but there's actually going to be something very, very special about the console. So it's going to put you in something called soft mode, and you'll notice something very unique once we go to our settings. So I'm going to go ahead, and you want to make sure that you're spamming X so that it doesn't give it any time to lag. So go ahead, hit that, spam X, boom, you're in. Alright, so you want to go ahead and go over to store, right? And then you want to add all the games that you want. Try to make sure that none of the games are over $60. So this can be like $55 and below, because it's kind of hard to get like pricey games like $89. I haven't got it to work on $89. So yeah, let's go over to something like let's go over to, I don't know. Let's do Days Gone, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to whatever game you want, right? You're going to click Add to Cart. And then from there, what you're going to do is you're obviously going to go to Add to Cart. Now what you're going to realize is that I've wasted your time and that it's April Fool's.